Hi, I'm Anne Marie Alessi with Biodex Medical Systems, and welcome to our booth at the 57th Annual Society of Nuclear Medicine meeting in Salt Lake City, Utah. Biodex is pleased to introduce the next generation of nuclear and molecular imaging solutions, the Atom Lab dose calibrators, wipe test counter, and a combination unit called the Atom Lab 500 Plus dose calibrator and wipe test counter. The new Atom Lab 500 Plus combines the Atom Lab 500 dose calibrator with the Atom Lab wipe test counter. It's consolidated workhorse that features a large touchscreen display with intuitive menus and our very own Atom Lab quality assurance automated apps. That's a dream come true for any physicist, technologist, or radiopharmacy. The Atom Lab 500 Plus features the Atom Lab apps, which include Daily Constancy, Expanded Constancy, where you can not only calibrate your reference source, but you can also define up to 14 isotopes. You can do a geometry test, automated geometry test, as well as accuracy. The expanded constancy feature allows you to measure your reference source, calculate the acceptable variances, as well as other channels that you may need to check. Up to 14 isotope channels can be featured. Geometry test is easy to perform. You can select your parameters, calculate, select your volumes, your normalization volume, and your container description, and easily perform the test. Accuracy is simply measuring your calibrated source 3 times, but more importantly and more exciting is the linearity feature. We can perform linearity several different ways. The automated linearity test features options where you can set up your reading interval as well as the time that you want to take your normalized reading. And once you set up the parameters, you can put in your reference source, start the test, and leave for the weekend. The test will be completed by the time you get back on a Monday morning. If you should happen to come in on call, you can pause the test and use it as a dose calibrator, and it will remind you to return to the decay test. At the completion, it will pause. It will also remind you to put your decayed isotope back into the chamber, and you can resume the test. The Atom Lab wipe test counter utilizes intuitive software which eliminates the tedium of wipe test counting. Individual isotope ROIs along with a wide window can be set. This feature helps identify the isotopes that may be causing the contamination. Wipe testing has never been so easy. No cheat sheets are needed. Call to set up an online demonstration of the dose calibrator, and thank you for visiting the Biodex booth. Enjoy your meeting.